Hey guys! Today we're hunting for a treasure map on a coordinate plane. We need to plot 6 points on our coordinate system. Connecting these points will reveal the path to our treasure map. Alright, let's begin. What do we need to create a coordinate system? First, we need 2 perpendicular lines, one vertical, one horizontal. Let's label them Y and X, which are perpendicular to each other. They form a 90-degree angle and intersect at the origin point. What's this point called? You might know it as 0, 0. Quick quiz, what's this line called? Which axis is this? The x-axis, the abscissa axis, and this axis? The ordinate axis. X-axis for abscissa, y-axis for ordinate. Even our famous 0 point has an abscissa and ordinate. What does that mean? It means it has coordinates. Let's call this point O, okay? Its abscissa is 0 and its ordinate is 0, 2. So point O is point O, right? And any point here. Here, here, or here. Let's say it's point M, for example, right? It'll also have some abscissa and ordinate. It's even raining heavily in our Spain now. I can't imagine how we'll go treasure hunting. Let's find point A. To find point A, let's first mark where one will be, okay? Let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's do the same upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But also downwards. So downwards on the y-axis, it's minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the x-axis too, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's quickly find our point A. It's 2 on the x-axis. So it'll be located somewhere around here. And based on the y-coordinate, we'll pinpoint its exact location. 3. So it's 2 tick, 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 3. Here it is. Let's see, I'll probably highlight it in red. That's how I was looking for it. Right? Abscissa. X is 2, Y is 3. Okay, we found point A. Now let's look for point B. We have 1 and 1. Well, that's simple, isn't it? 1 here and 1 here. Here's point A. Oh, this is point B. I apologize. Point B. The next point is C. Here we'll have a negative, as it's minus 2 on the x-axis. What does that mean? Which way do we go? We go left. So like this, 1, 2. Okay. And then 4 on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Yes, that's about right. Good. Which point is this? You can draw it yourself too. If you don't have paper, just follow along in your mind, okay? We have 3 points left. D, minus 5 and minus 1. When both are negative, it'll be somewhere down here, right? It should be around here. Let's find it. Minus 5 on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, minus 5, and minus 1. That's how it looks. This is our point D. D, right here. Oh, well, about like this, yeah? Minus 1. And point E, minus 1 on the x-axis, so it's somewhere around here. But it's also negative on the y-axis, so it'll go down here. And it ends up right here. This is point E, minus 1x, minus 5y, right? Good. About like this, yeah? We've drawn it. And the last point, the final one, what point is it? 2, 3. On the x-axis, it's 2. On the y-axis, it's -3. That's where it goes. It turns out like this, right? This is point F. Okay. Well, guys, we found it. We found it. Now we need to connect these points. I'll use a black marker to make it stand out a bit, okay? And we'll find our treasure. Like this, like this, like this. How can we do it here? You can do it this way, and this way. If you chose to draw it differently, that's great too.